Hey y'all, it's Mama D. We gonna make some amazing chili from the leftover stuffed peppers. Ha ha! Using leftovers stuffed peppers to make chili. It's full of ground beef, peppers, and tomatoes. So let's do this, man. Stuffed pepper chili. Yes. Okay, now we have got our stuffed peppers chopped up in our pan, and we're gonna start. Look at, there's one we didn't get, but that's okay, that'll be good. So now we're gonna go with our spices. Oops. We're gonna do our spices. Paprika, a heaping tablespoon, chili powder, 3 heaping tablespoons. 1, 2, and 3. Garlic powder or granulated garlic, 2 heaping tablespoons. Oregano, 1 heaping tablespoon. And cumin, 1 tablespoon. There we go. Looks like it was heaping to me. And then we'll stir these spices in with our stuffed peppers that we smashed up. And 1 can of tomatoes, diced with basil, garlic, and oregano. Right there. We'll stir them tomatoes in with our spices. And we're gonna let this simmer on a medium-low with 1 can of water. There we go. And that was our tomato. That was our tomato can. I'll be back. Okay. Now we are going to add a can of chili beans. A can of cannelli beans, which is actually white kidney beans. And we all know kidney beans goes good in chili. And a can of mixed beans, which is Great Northern and Pinto. There we go. And I will rinse them cans out with some water. But we're going to stir this up and we're going to let this cook just for about 5-10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, we have had this simmering on low, medium low, actually. And there you have it. Stuffed green pepper chili. Look at that. Waste not, want not. Thank you for watching and God bless you. From Mama D's house to yours. Look at that big red bell pepper. Yes. Can I get a yum?
Red hot.
Chili Mac.
Red hot.
Chili Mac.
Red hot.
Chili Mac French
Well, if you're over in Chicago, Jack, and you wanna get yourself a real gone snack, for an extra buck, man, you can rack 'em back on the red hot French fries. fries, and chili mac. Sitting in a joint and comes a cat, dressed to a T and sharp as a tack. Don't be surprised if you hear him holler, Jack. Red hot French fries and chili mac. I took my vacation in the Southwest VA. Had to catch a plane right back.
Went all over town, looked at everything,
but I couldn't find my red hots
and chili mac. Oh, when my girl says she wants to eat, she talks about a chicken shack.
I said, oh, wake up square, we can't go there. I want a red hot French fries
and chili mac. Oh, when I'm on a liner,
or riding on a diner, just before I hit the sack. Oh, I asked the Lord above, send me what I love, red hot French fries and chili mac, down on the Gulf of Mexico.